So check it out. I don't do a lot with four-wheel plastic, but once in a while if I find something interesting, I'll pick it up. Pretty sure this is Plasti-marx. I've never bought one before, but this one's battery operated, takes 2 D cells, 70 tonner. It's the same mold that Marx used for their 70 tonners. And I also found a maroon New York Central 70 tonner with a one-way motor in it, so I bought them both from the same guy. They were both a pretty good price. So when I took this battery operated one apart, the wiring needed a little help, and the motor, I lubricated it and got it so it would work, and so it runs pretty good. I also had to get a lot of the rust off the railing. I took and brushed that off really nice to shine it up, and the only problem is there was a headlight, but the little grain of wheat bulb is burnt out. So later on I'll order a 3-volt one from Evan Designs. I'll put a LED in there. It runs both forward and backwards, but we're only going to run it forward because we've got the other Marx 70 tonner right behind it, so we're going to run them both together. So here we go. Let's check this out. It's a little noisy. Zips right along now. Okay, let's grab it and stop it. There we go. And then we'll pull the 70 tonner in behind it. So there's 2-train operation without all that expensive stuff. Runs pretty good. Like I said, it's the first Plasti-marx I've had any experience with. So thanks again for watching. Take care, God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.